The reality of construction workers.
When I was a kid, my dad was an architect, and so I worked on a lot of construction sites, and I met a lot of junkies. A lot of people on construction sites are either alcoholics or drug addicts. And there was this one guy that I really liked, really funny guy, and he's in a band. His name is Robbie. Just couldn't stay off the coke.
Wow.
Couldn't stay off the coke. And he's like, yeah, I'm just tired of this. I'm getting my shit together. The band's getting back together again. We're writing songs and this and that. And then he'd come in Monday looking like shit, real grumpy, didn't want to talk, had a headache.